Life reminder muna. Sometimes, hindi kailangan ng eksaktong date para mag-celebrate ng love. January 13 talaga yung anniversary namin ng Filipina-British girlfriend ko. Pero since start na ng classes nila that day, we decided to celebrate in advance. Ang plano, kami lang dalawa. Pero along the way, napagtanto namin na may kulang. Mas masaya pala kapag mas marami, kapag kasama ang pamilya. So we pack our things, book a hotel, and traveled agad-agad to Tagaytay. This became our first week of 2026, before bumalik ulit sa hustle, trabaho, at klase. During this quick vacation, ang dami kong realizations. First time to ng girlfriend ko at ng nanay namin. And seeing them happy and relax, sobrang priceless. Napaisip ako, after a year of working hard, para saan ba talaga ang pera? Is it worth it to take a vacation? And my answer is, yes. If you're working so hard na halos wala ka ng time for your loved ones, let this be your reminder. We only live once. Hindi na natin mababalik ang oras, lalo na habang tumatanda tayo. So if you're hesitating to spend for a family trip, a dream purchase, a good meal, or moments that make you happy, this is your sign. Spending money for your happiness is still an investment. Anything that feeds your soul and strengthens your relationships is always worth it. Kaya go lang. Live, love, create memories.